Is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 waterproof? Keep watching. We'll skip right to the details. Yes, it is waterproof. The Galaxy Watch 7 boasts a 50-meter water resistance rating, making it suitable for swimming and other water activities. However, remember that it's not designed for diving. Enable the water lock. Before you take a dip, swipe down on your watch to access the settings and enable the water lock feature. This will lock your screen to prevent accidental touches while swimming. After swimming, once you've finished your swim, press and hold the upper button. This action will trigger a sound designed to eject water from the speaker. To ensure the speaker stays in top condition, repeat this process at least 3 times while gently shaking the watch. Avoid pressing buttons underwater. Although the watch is sealed, pressing buttons underwater might allow water to seep in. So keep those fingers off while submerged. Avoid using your Galaxy Watch 7 in environments like saunas or hot tubs. The steam can penetrate the seals, potentially affecting its performance. For everyday activities like rain exposure, mud encounters, or even doing dishes, the Galaxy Watch 7 is perfectly fine. And that's it. Subscribe for more helpful guides.